Hello, I'm Jennifer Barton, Professor of Biomedical Engineering and Director of the Bio5 Institute at the University of Arizona. I'm also President-elect of SPIE. It is my pleasure to personally welcome you to attend the Women in Photonics International Workshop on Career Opportunities held at the Leibniz-IPHT of Photonic Technology in Jena, Germany, from the 26th to the 30th of November. I'm excited to co-chair this important event. The workshop will be an outstanding opportunity for female postdocs and PhD students to share their research plans and results and network with senior female scientists. Success and resilience requires a support group. Come and start building yours or add to your circle of senior and peer mentors. This meeting is an opportunity to ask questions, hone presentation skills, learn about career optics, and have fun. I hope to see you there.